Alright, this is going to be the elevator at Westfarms in West Hartford, Connecticut. It's this one. We're going to go to L2. Doors are closing. Watch out the window. Here we are at L2. Let's go down to L1. Door closes when I push the 4 button. I like that. Here we are at the first floor. And we will send this elevator up. There it goes, and we'll watch her go up. There it goes. And that'll be it. Alright, this is going to be elevator number 2 at Westfarms in West Hartford, Connecticut. This one. Let's go to L2. Door close button works. Watch out the window. Here we are, second floor. Now we'll go down to L1. Door close button works. Let's get a cat view. Pretty nice elevator. And we will center up. And there it goes, and watch her go up. And there she goes.